Fits on most big game tree stands. Fasteners included. 2 buckles. Provides great comfort and support. Dimensions: 18 by 10 x 2. Comes designed with black and camo fabric. 18 width x 10 deep x 2 thick. Fits Boss XL many other tree stands. 2 buckles to secure seat. Top reviews from the United States. Great seat. I used to just use an old piece of nylon-coated foam rubber. This seat is much better. It is quiet, durable, lightweight, and almost too comfortable. It has really reduced fatigue and discomfort in my tree stand. I have had no problem with it sliding. Try it. You will like it.